What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Adventures for Reg, and I'm here with
Dre.
Hey man, it's about to be another legendary video, man. This guy is a little camera shy, so take it easy on him. You know what I'm saying? But hey, we about to scare the shit out of him today because he don't want to get on camera, so we gonna punish him. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe onto the video, and we gonna catch y'all in the next clip.
Oh, it's on now?
Oh, yeah, we on.
Alright,
We live in the flesh. Man. We live in the flesh. That's what Tall Guy would say. Shout out to Tall Guy, man.
Yeah, shout out to Tall Guy. Organic.
Shout out to Organic. Shout out to Sway. Shout out to his new fiance, man.
Oh yeah, that's most definitely.
He inspired me to do what I'm doing today, man. So if I ever get a chance to link and do a video with him, man, that'd be, as in his words, it'd be legendary for sure.
Ain't nothing better than seeing an upcoming YouTuber coming up, especially people like Tall Guy and Organic. We've been watching them for 2-3 years, getting it out the mud for real.
Exactly, really getting out the mud.
Oh shit! God damn, bro. This motherfucker get sideways. I ain't gonna lie, I might cuss here and there. I know it's YouTube though.
Nah, you can cuss, bro. Be yourself, bro.
Okay, this raw.
I'm myself all the time, okay, bro. Don't mean nothing. We get, hey, like I say, bro, we get active, bro.
Okay.
We get active,
raw and uncut then. It's fucking.
Ooh. Oh. We gotta get out of there, bruh. Hey.
Oh, police right there too.
Where?
Right over there.
Oh shit! You gotta get up out of here. Told y'all, bruh. It's hot over here, bro. Hot.
Hey,
hot.
we didn't even go down a block. We already, this car right here draw hella attention. You know, we got people that want to see what it do.
Yeah, people want to see what this thing could do.
This motherfucker get up though. I definitely fuck with it.
Oh yeah, definitely get up, bro. Like real shit. Like this motherfucker definitely get up.
Dodge definitely stepped that game up.
Bro, I feel like Dodge is like killing the game right now. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, they line of cars like starting off from the Hemi to the 392s, Daytonas, Scats, Hellcats, anything, bro. You getting your bang for your buck with these cars.
Oh yeah. We in the live of the flesh right now, boy. What Tall Guy would say.
Yeah, this is my first time up in the 392.
I'm gonna turn that on, cause
yeah.
Where you go?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, when you bent that corner, damn, bro.
You feel that shit?
Bro, this car suck you into your. Oh shit! Oh, damn, bro. Oh. Hey, this thing right here go crazy. Oh, damn, bro. I guess it's what 500 horses get you, y'all.
Oh,
damn,
shit.
bro.
Oh, shit.
Got whiplash in this motherfucker. Oh. Anybody else, bruh, I ain't letting them drive this fast within the car. But I trust Reg, bruh. He got bars. That's one thing I give him.
Oh shit, yeah, bruh. Hey, listen, y'all. Disclaimer, bro. If you don't have a lot of driving experience, bruh, I wouldn't suggest you doing this because number one, you can get a ticket. Number two, you can get a ticket. Number three, you can get a ticket. And number four, you could crash and you could lose your life. You know what I'm saying? Take all this stuff as precaution and actually know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You gotta know what you're doing.
And there's other people on the road too, so you know you gotta be kind of considerate of others. You know?
Yeah.
Because you could be the one that survive and end up killing them in an accident.
Yep.
You know, that's something I always think about when if you know you do want to go crazy a little bit, just know what you're doing, bro.
Yeah, you gotta know what you're doing, man. You gotta know what you're doing. Like right now, we in a little bit of traffic, I'm not gonna go swerve in and out of lanes because I don't want to put nobody else's life in jeopardy. You feel me?
Yeah.
So, you know, you got to know when to stop. You got to know when to go. So, you know, all my followers out there, you know, just take it easy. Remember that it's other people on the road, and you may have the best bars, but somebody may not. And when you driving past and you skirting by them and stuff like that, then, you know, that may, you know, scare the shit out of them, and then they may do something that may cause an accident. So, you know, just be very careful.
Yeah, some of the best drivers in the world get in accidents, you know.
Definitely.
It don't matter how much bars you got with a car. You know, sometimes shit just happens and you lose control.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So if you're not used to driving sports cars, the best thing I can say is, you know, get comfortable and familiar with a car first. Know how to really control it and know when and where to do crazy shit if you get down like that.
Yeah.
Just be responsible. That's the only thing I can tell you. Have fun though.
Yeah, gotta have fun. Hey, these cars right here,
yeah,
they straight toys, bro.
Oh yeah.
These some toys, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. These, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all this, YouTube. Like, my favorite car is a Nissan GTR. You know that.
Oh yeah.
This man known me for like 15 years of my life, bro.
He love his Nissans and Infinitys. Infinity is favorite for sure.
Hands down, bro. And it's like, driving this car today, like, I was like, oh shit, you know what I'm saying? I never drove a muscle car before because I never really been into muscle cars like that. You know, I'm into like the JDM type shit, you know what I'm saying? Not like, you know, lowering the fucking tires and making the wheels pop out. Just like, you know, those style of cars, you know what I'm saying? German cars too. Like,
G37s, that's his favorite. He like his favorite though.
That GTR.
03.
Oh, the 03. Oh yeah, the 03 G35.
Yeah,
man. Come on,
that's
man.
his dream car still, besides the Skyline.
But this ScatPack opened my eyes to, like, you know, damn near, I want to buy a Hellcat. I'm not gonna lie. I want to take it up a notch.
Man,
You see how crazy I get with this.
God damn, bro.
You see how crazy I get with this. So
Yeah.
imagine what a Hellcat would do, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this thing pushing close to 500 horsepower. Hellcat at 707.
Yeah. Damn,
No,
bro. This motherfucker this is crazy. I see why you watch a whole lot of videos on this shit.
Oh yeah, man, if I ever get my money right, best believe I'm gonna get me a Hellcat. That's definitely my dream car.
Yeah, bro, Dodge is really just killing the game right now. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like they just shitting on everybody. I don't know if you heard about the Durango Hellcat that's about to come out.
Yeah, that's been a long time coming,
bro. And the truck that's about to come out with 702 horsepower.
Yeah.
And that's a truck, bro. That shit's gonna.
Oh my bad, not to cut you off. The Dodge Ram TRX.
Yeah, the TRX.
Yeah.
Bro, that shit's gonna be insane.
Yeah, Dodge is Mopar just period stepping their game up. And, you know, another car is the Trackhawk.
Oh,
that much power with all-wheel drive, it's really hard to beat that car.
Yeah, it is, bro. Like, bro.
You know, and I'm not no fanboy and no Dodge. You know, I like all muscle cars. Reds can tell you that. You know, I like all of them.
Yeah.
It's just that.
You like old school cars too.
I love my old school.
You might as well tell them what's your favorite old school.
Oh man, 6.8 Stang, man.
What you want to drop? You want to cool?
I gotta get it dropped. Put the goals and Vogues on it with some slap in it.
Okay, let them know.
Yeah.
What kind of slap? You know what I'm saying?
Maybe throw 412s in. I ain't trying to go too crazy.
Okay, 412s. 412s. Okay.
Put that Brandy wine on it.
What the fuck are they doing? And hey, mind you, I had 412s in the act too.
Oh yeah,
definitely did.
This the slap, man. I had a Buick Century with 212s.
Oh, they know. By now, I already introduced the slap.
Oh,
they know.
Oh, they already familiar with it.
Oh, they know for sure. They already know.
Okay. Ain't no need me to bring it up there.
Oh yeah, 215s and Infinity. That's all I gotta say. Who has it?
Yeah, and it got kickers in it.
Yeah, come on, bro.
He don't get no cheap slap. He never been no cheap quality person.
Nope. If I already did a video on my slap, go ahead and watch that. I don't know if I did, but if I did, go ahead and watch that because I'm gonna tell y'all all the setups I ever did. And actually, I was a cheap nigga before. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh,
I bought some goddamn audio techs.
Yeah. Where'd you get it from? You might as well go and tell them, bro.
Bro, I went to Hayward. I ain't saying their name because they ain't giving no promo.
Oh, okay.
But I went to Hayward. And let me tell you this, bro. Those audio techs, bro, I had them for 2 hours. And they blew out.
Hey, hate to say it, but it's true. You buy cheap, you get cheap. That's for anything.
I was hella mad, bro. I was hella mad, but if Artie had come out that video, go ahead and watch it. Cause I'll tell you all the setups. Also, I'll give y'all my input, like, you know, what y'all should do and how y'all should do it. You know what I'm saying? You know, and also look out for people budget too. People gotta stop getting on people with V6 Chargers, because I feel like it's whatever you could afford. Okay, yeah, you could have got a V8, but I mean, shit, a nigga can only afford so much. So if that's what you could afford, go get it. But always just remember to, you know, just keep on upgrading though. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Don't just stop there. Keep going, keep upgrading, because you know you may want a Charger, because that's your, you know, that's your favorite car, but you may not could afford to get the V8 or the, you know, the Hellcat or something. You know what I'm saying?
At the moment.
Yeah, at the moment.
Yeah.
You know, it's all, you always got to crawl before you walk.
I was the same way, I'm not gonna lie. I used to say, why would they get a V6 Challenger or a Charger or a Mustang? I was like, they're wasting their money getting that. But you know, I don't even know the person, so who am I to judge? That might be their favorite car, like Reg was saying.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not paying their notes, so who am I to tell somebody what car to get? It has to be a V8. That's, you know, that was kind of immature on my part, because you know everybody pockets is not as deep as everybody else's. So that's something I kind of realized, and I'm kind of glad Reg brought that up. So you know, if anything, I just tip my hat off to him. You know, keep doing your thing, bro.
Yeah, it's whatever, bro. If you out there right now and you driving a V6 Charger, bro, there's nothing wrong with that, bro. Just keep on pushing and striving, and you're gonna be able to get anything that you want. Anything you want.
Whatever makes you happy, that's the main thing.
That's whatever happens. Yeah, if you want a V6 and that's what you like, then fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Who cares?
As long as it puts a smile on your face, don't worry about what anybody else has to say.
Exactly.
That's just with anything, not just car, but anything in general.
Exactly. You gotta do what makes you happy. You know what I'm saying? Don't follow the crowd. Be the leader. You feel me?
Most definitely.
Don't be that fly that go to the light. Be the fly that go the opposite way.
Yeah.
So but yeah, you know. But yeah, how do you like the car though? How you like this?
Oh,
this ScatPack?
I love it, bro. I appreciate you letting me, you know, get in the car, seeing how it run. It run hella good.
Oh yeah, come on, man. You know I had to get the homie in the video. Come on.
No, yeah, it's all good. I done rented a drop Mustang 5.0, it was a 16. That run good. I done rented.
Is this beating it?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Oh, okay.
The Camaro SS beating it too. I had a 2019 one. These were both rentals. I had fun in them, but the Camaro kind of close to this, but this Scat still ain't this top level. Oh yeah. Yeah, Camaro SS ain't fucking with this car.
Hats off to Dodge, bro.
Yeah.
And making this car, engineered this car, man. This is a hell of a fun drive. I'm not gonna lie, this is hella fun. Dodge is really just killing shit right now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, they just actually, like, I wouldn't want no other muscle car besides a Challenger. What I was telling them earlier too is that I don't really like the 4 doors. I like 2 doors. So if I did buy a Hellcat, it'll be a Challenger.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah. I like I'm more of a sedan person, so I like my photos. I just like a little bit more space.
I like feeling compact in cars, so
like a vet.
Yeah, it kind of made me feel safer.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And what's crazy is the Challengers are actually heavier than the Chargers, believe it or not.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It definitely is, bro.
That's why they call them the fat cats instead of the Hellcats, because they, it's pretty much a boat.
Oh yeah.
They weighing over 4,000 pounds, if I'm not mistaken.
And I call her a kitty cat.
The kitty cat, man.
They say, hey man, I'm about to go ahead and get a kitty cat. I'm about to go get a kitty cat. Kitty cat. That's hella funny.
The kitty cat.
But hey YouTube, I just wanted to record this quick little video because as you can see, it's kind of getting dark outside. But like, comment, subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, man, let me know down in the comments. Let me know on my social medias. You know what I'm saying? Follow my mans. Looking for.
Catch me on Instagram, NR_Dre. In the future, I'm gonna go ahead and make me a YouTube. My partner inspired me to go ahead and set one up, so I'm just gonna work on it. We're gonna get me a good camera and stuff. In the future, hopefully, I can do some collabs with my partner. See how that goes.
It's all good, brother.
Oh, yeah,
it's all good on my channel. Hey, but but YouTube, y'all know what we got to do before we go, right? Don't tell them. Don't tell them yet. Bro, I hear you talking, bro. Calm down, bro. Bro, chill out, bro. Bro, why is he talking so loud, bro?
I don't know.
Bro, shh. Bro, come on, bro. You got to keep it down, bro. You can't let him know, bro. Come on, one last pull before we go. All right, YouTube. Just like that, we out.